I don't know that I would have ever said I want to be in the manufacturing industry. Being here is just, it's fairly amazing. It's exciting and it's rewarding. I love my career. I feel a good sense of accomplishment and fulfillment here.
Douglas Machine builds custom packaging machinery that is designed around the customer's needs. I work on something new all the time. I'm always learning something. It's not a job where you do the same repetitive things every day.
We build a lot of one-off parts, so we're not running thousands of them, which that's what I like. I like the R&D aspect. You know, somebody brings you something that's never been done before, and hey, can you build this part? So you work with the engineers and you work with the people on the floor to produce this part.
My name is Jill Lahman. I'm an executive assistant at Douglas Machine and I've been here for 12 years.
My name is Seth Anderson. I've been with the company for just about 7 years now, and I'm a CNC programmer.
I'm Andrew Freiltz. I'm a mechanical designer, and I've been at Douglas Machine about 12 years.
I'm Matt Chris here. I've worked at Douglas Machine for 13 years. My title is an engineering technician too.
The perception of manufacturing is that it's a dirty, dark, damp environment, and that's not the situation at all in today's modern manufacturing.
Manual equipment is the equipment that sits in the corner now. We've gone to CNC, and that's all you'll do. And the machine tools are very, very high-tech machine tools.
The way the economy is, to feel secure in your place of work is a very nice feeling, you know. To know that you're going to get a paycheck every 2 weeks and you can plan your life around that, that's a nice feeling.
One of our biggest challenges here at Douglas Machine is that we cannot find enough employees for skilled labor, for welders, machinists, something that a minimal amount of training, you know, 1 to 2 years in a technical program, and you can come into a job making a very, very good wage.
I don't think I ever dreamed when I was in high school to make what I do make. I definitely feel like I get paid very well.
In the manufacturing field, there's so much potential for growth that you don't see in so many other areas. I've been here, like I say, a little over 12 years. In that time, I've had, I believe, 7 different job titles. They've allowed me to really grow within the company.
Some of the managers and directors have put together career path outlines for people who are interested in moving throughout the company and advancing, and we're always looking within to try and promote people into positions of their strength.
If you go down on the floor, you'll notice that everybody takes pride in their work. It's just a field where it's the backbone of, you know, the United States, and there's a lot of pride that goes along with that.